this video is a quick room tour of Akrida Hotel by NT Heritage, where I stayed in Pondicherry. Akrida is near to beach yet located centrally in the Old French Quarter. Akrida has 3 categories of room to choose from, namely gold, diamond, platinum rooms, and are gracefully designed to suit your needs. We went to Pondicherry in the peak season, December end, so this costed us 5k per night. The rooms are fully equipped with air conditioning, coffee maker, mini fridge, television, Wi-Fi. The service is super quick. As the beach calls, you will be eager to set foot on the sand of Pondicherry. So the next time you think of Pondicherry, think Akrida. Pondicherry and food go hand in hand, and Akrida is designed with Jonas pub with a huge variety of European and continental dishes to choose from. That's it for today. We'll see you in the next video.